My neighbour next door was saying that he was freezing during the last storms. I didn't even hear them, let alone feel it. I was renting a room in this house from about 1998 to about 2001. My landlord had moved away and he was selling, and I said, can you give me first refusal? So he did, and I was able to make it to buy the house. I knew we had a problem with ventilation and we needed insulation. The house was cold. You put on the gas at the time, and if you turned it off, the house was freezing again. We also had a problem with mold. So we put anything in the wardrobe, it came out wet. The problem was the windows. They were letting air in, they were also letting water, almost raining on the inside. And to be honest, I didn't know where to start. There was all this new ads for the one-stop shop. There was a good few companies, so once you got onto one, you filled out the paperwork, and then they send out the people to assess every job that needs doing.
The assessor will look at the current insulation levels, the condition of the windows and door units, the existing heating system, and from there then we'll propose a roadmap and we'll look at the funding available under the SEAI one-stop shop grants.
So we got the BO done, and it was like D1, which we weren't surprised.
The house already has the walls pumped with lead insulation, so there was no measure really required on that. We upgraded the windows and doors with high-performing triple glaze units. We installed 200mm of fiberglass insulation in the attic, bringing that up to 300mm in total. We've installed an air-to-water heat pump to the existing heating system. Inside in the heat pump there is a refrigerant that boils at a very low temperature. The heat pump then compresses this refrigerant that then transfers the heat to the water. The water then from the heat pump is connected directly to the house's existing heating system. The heat pump runs from electricity. It doesn't burn any fossil fuels or emit any nasty emissions. There has been a 2.67 kilowatt peak solar PV system installed here as well.
You walk in, the house is warm, and if I want it a little bit colder, I can bring it down on my app. The gas is gone, so I have one bill, electricity. So it's huge savings. And the energy rating in the beginning was D1, now it's A2. It adds value to your house as well. So whatever we put in, it's not going anywhere. And it will last for 20, 30 years, hopefully. This is painless. I would recommend them in a heartbeat. I've been so lucky, I'm so happy.